Fast track to your perfect home. Every module is prefabricated to the highest standards, ready to be assembled into your ideal living space. On-site assembly is swift and precise. Watch as your home takes shape in days. The robust steel frame and innovative expandable design deliver unparalleled strengths and adaptable space. Beyond the robust exterior lies an interior engineered for modern living. Every module prefabricated, every dream assemblable. Quality prefab homes. Come with me, let me walk you through this.